Quick disclaimer, just in case you don't know what hentai is. If you're a child, just click away. Alright, it requires parental advisory. I guess you could say, even though I'm not gonna show any graphic images, things are going to be talked about. So, if okay, like it's not for kids. It's not safe for work. It's NSFW. So if you don't want to indulge in that, just feel free to leave. Okay, I don't care if you don't watch this. I don't care if you watch this or not. All right, like, yeah. But if you're still going into this, knowing that this is NSFW, and you're a child, and that's just not my problem anymore. All right, that's on you. All right, that's on you. I warned you. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Shall we begin the cultured manga tag tier list? You know, good old hentai tag tier list. All right, we're starting it off with havee. Where is this going?
That's a C. That's a C or a D even. I don't really. Not a big fan of that.
I don't really care if I'm being honest. Yeah.
Ever since the hoodie emerged, I started hating it.
Yeah, that shit is just obnoxious. Like, why? Why are you wearing that, my good sir?
And like when the emergence in TikTok, when people started doing it for the memes, it became fucking annoying. So I would put it on D for that. On all honesty.
D. I mean, yeah, I could agree. I could agree. What do you think?
After hearing that, yeah, D. I may have not seen that shit, but D. D for these nuts.
Rico. Rico, what do you think? Do you agree? Do you agree?
I think that will do, yeah.
Okay. Next one, beauty mark.
Don't really care.
I would put that in B,
really
honestly.
B.
I would put that in B. Yeah.
C or B.
I don't really care about that. So yeah, anything.
Alright.
Lillian does not care
B
about
then.
beauty mark.
Yeah, Lillian doesn't care either.
Cool. Could B for beauty mark. Let's go.
Alright, bite it. I don't really care either.
Put that in C, I guess.
For me.
Okay, alright. We're talking about hentai, right?
This
It's
yeah.
hentai.
Hentai.
Hentai
This is
in
hentai.
general.
Yeah,
Hey.
hentai tags, man. A. Okay.
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
Lillian says S.
S.
Yeah, it's between S and A for me. Because if this is purely hentai, yeah, it's either there. I love how Luke's hand
guess
is
we'll just-
hovering over S.
I guess we'll just no. No, I guess we'll just I guess we'll just agree on a high A here, you know.
Alright.
S.
Yeah, alright.
S. Okay. I'll do it. I'll do S. Fine.
Alright.
S tier.
Okay,
Blindfold S tier.
Okay. Blindfold S. Whoa.
S tier.
I mean, I'm not disagreeing because I'm indifferent to it.
Why are you hovering over B then?
Because that's the default. I can't put it in the center like here, you know, like. So, what do you guys think? Blindfold.
S.
S.
That's like blindfold.
Okay.
For a
How about-
hentai.
For hentai.
For
For how about you,
For
Lance?
I may put it B or C.
B or C? Yeah, I wouldn't put it at an S. I don't know. I'm not much of a.
Let's compromise, put it in A.
I don't know.
Compromise, put it in A, then.
A.
Yeah, well, yeah, compromise between A.
A.
If you guys are talking about B and then S, you know.
Okay. Yeah,
Already
compromise
C,
A.
Compromise.
tier.
Body swap.
I'm putting that low.
Low.
Yeah,
Low, like E or F, dude. I'm not a
Yeah,
big
or
fan of that. That's so weird. Brody, I've seen some
Freaky
where it's like
Friday, the
siblings.
hentai.
Brody,
the siblings one.
Yeah, I've
What
seen one where it's
the
siblings where they swap,
Is it the
and
one
it's just
with
so
the green?
Oh, hell
the dog
no.
wearing a green sweater. Was it that one?
Yeah, wait, it's that one. Yeah, the one with the little sister.
Yeah.
And
And
then
then the
it's
brother
not-
took over the
and-
body.
No, it's the other way around, dude. The brother was like, I'll show you how to use your body type of shit.
Oh,
There might be a good one. I don't know.
Yeah.
Is there
Or
any
like, it's a
for,
couple,
like,
right? But the man and the woman change bodies.
yeah.
to understand
I
them,
think.
each other better? That would be
There might be
awesome,
something like that. We just haven't discovered it yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For now, it's like an
Benefit
E.
of the doubt.
It's like E-type. Benefit of the doubt.
Bondage.
The bondage for hentai, I'll put an A.
Yeah, A or B.
A?
Ikaw, Mamacita.
Okay.
You said A?
Mm.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cat girl.
S.
I agree.
I'm not really gonna contest that.
I agree.
You know what? Yeah.
S.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, cheating.
Put that shit down.
Yeah.
Put that shit down.
I don't
Put it
care
down.
what. I don't care, dude.
Put that
Connor
shit
be
down.
like.
I know, right? I was like,
I don't
cheating's
even.
hot. S.
Cheerleader. I don't think I've seen one that's that has this
Same.
tag.
Wait, what's
It's
chica?
interesting.
Men who grope women in public in Japan. Oh,
Like
Oh,
the train molesting.
referring to sexual harassment.
Put that down there.
I'm just gonna. Anyways, cheerleader. We haven't ranked this yet.
Cheerleader. Oh, I'll put it A or S.
A.
Banger.
How about you, Rico? What do you think?
I'm A or B.
You guys all see
Lily?
the appeal of
A.
cheerleaders? Yeah.
Okay, we're putting it at
I'm
A
a
then.
cheerleader, so
Oh,
kinda sus.
oh, alright.
Oh.
Comedy. I think.
Comedy.
I think yeah.
That's funny, dude. That's funny.
Yeah.
Yes,
It makes it
remember-
more
I've seen-
enjoyable, you know, like
Dude,
you know
I
what
saw
mean?
some funny ones, dude. Like I've
yeah,
seen
I
one- I've seen
remember
one where-
watching this
Yeah.
funny one. The translations, like the subtitles are just so fucking hilarious.
Oh yeah, the
Sometimes I
subtitles are on purpose. That it's like so
Yeah.
terrible that that you
That
know
it's
that for a
funny.
fact that the people who were writing it were just having fun, going
Yeah.
like,
They know what
Do
they're
it.
doing.
Stepmother's friends.
think
That shit
there
was
was-
hilarious, Brody. That shit was hilarious.
yeah.
So funny. It was so funny. This guy, there was literally a whole panel there that said, wait, I'm gonna look for it on my phone. So I'm gonna die early all because of an everlasting erect dick? That's bullshit. Crotch tattoo. I personally don't really care
I
either.
don't
don't
really
care.
care about that. I don't. Those like attributed to succubus.
C.O.D..
But succubus
Succubus.
are hot.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Mhm.
succubus have like a
Mhm.
What is that?
it's not that bad. It's not that
like a tattoo near the crotch area.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, let's see.
C.
Yeah, I gotta put C. Like
Okay.
it doesn't add anything.
Yeah,
it's
it
not
doesn't really
bad,
add.
you know?
Dark skin.
I'll
put it-
A
I
or
think
B,
I'll
dude.
yeah,
Yarus
I
are hot,
would
dude.
put it kinda
Yarus are
high,
hot.
yeah.
I'd even put it in S, dude.
You could argue, yeah. How about you,
Yeah, I could
Rico? What do
argue
you
put it
think?
in S.
I don't care.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay. I guess we could put it at
So it's
A.
an A.
A.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, yeah. Elf.
S.
Oh, sorry. Dude.
A biting cat girl, that's also an oath.
Oh.
Interesting. Anyways, exhibitionism.
I'll put that F. I'm not a big fan of that.
F. I don't know what was it again?
Go doing shit outside.
Oh.
Yeah.
What do you think, gamers? Where
Yeah,
does
everyone else.
exhibitionism go?
I'd
D.
say A.
D. A. A.
A.
Wait, what? D?
E.
I thought I heard
E.
you say A.
What do you think of
A or
me?
D? I don't know. I just heard it.
So I guess. So
or
I
D?
guess E for compromise there. Dude.
Yeah. Eye patch.
Eye patches are hot. I'll put that in A.
Hmm.
Yeah. I'd put that in
I
S.
have like two waifus who literally have eye patches. I'm very attracted to that.
A. Then? A.
Yes, my waifu
A.
Kaya.
Fangs.
S.
I don't know how to say it here. Fangs. What do you guys think about fangs?
I think S as well. Oh my god.
S.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
S.
agree.
2 people say S.
2%.
Okay. Okay. I won't
Yeah.
disagree. It's not bad. It's
I'll
not
put
bad.
that in F. What the
Forced.
fuck?
Oh.
Whoa.
Ooh. Ooh. What is this, bro? Star Wars, man? Force me with you? Nah. Freckles.
Freckles are kind of hot.
Where does Freckles
would you
go?
put
Where would
Freckles?
you put it?
Where would you put freckles?
C, I guess. Yeah. Okay.
C.
Fine.
So,
So C, B, and A.
B.
So like.
Let's
what
just
would-
put it in B then.
B.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like in between
C.
both of you.
Yeah. Futanari.
I don't hate it, but I also don't. Not a super fan. of it.
I don't
Hmm.
like it. D or E.
Yeah, I'd put
I
that
wouldn't be
in D or E.
disgusted by it, but like I'd be like, wow, what the heck is this?
Weirded out.
Yeah.
Just a little weirded out.
I'll put
Yeah,
it.
it's really weird.
It's
D or E.
odd. You know, it's odd.
Yeah,
Futanari, where D or
Yeah,
E?
that's
Where do you
E.
think?
Or D or E. D or E.
yeah, let's go.
I'll
D.
put it in D. I'll put it in D.
D. Okay. D for D.
S.
Glasses
S.
S.
Glasses
S.
S. Okay.
S.
Alright,
S.
Glasses are really
Okay,
versatile.
Heart
Heart
pupils.
pupils, they don't really add much.
Yeah, it's kind of like the eye.
Heart
though.
pupils. I don't really care.
Yeah,
Hmm.
I mean, I'd rather prefer that over the eye go. So I'll put that in C.
Okay.
It's a
It's
minor
not harming
detail.
someone, so
Yeah.
Lillian says
Eye
S.
go is just
A.
it's like I'm a big fan of it.
Okay.
I'm a big fan of it. So
Okay.
yeah, I'm not a big fan of it, but it's like it's
Yeah.
It's
what about
fine.
you?
Horns.
yeah. Put that up in there. Yeah. I agree.
I like horned characters in general.
I would put it up there. Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Horror.
No,
That's
I
a
see
little
no
bit of a
shit.
strange
It's
tag.
a little bit of a strange tag.
Yeah.
I've seen a
Yeah.
bunch though, but it's like kind
Really?
of sus. Like it's too odd.
Yeah, I don't know how it could fit into
How-
the
why-
hentai.
I
You
guess
know,
like-
like
Like my brain is like, why is this hentai?
I don't know.
I'm
like,
not supposed to. I'm not supposed to riddle my jimmies while watching anime.
stroking
right?
the salami while getting scared. Like,
Stroking the
like,
salami
what
while
is it?
getting scared, man. Not as bad as
Yeah.
vision and body swap
Dude.
cheating and
Mm.
force.
That's true. That's true. It's not.
I'll
It's
put
not
it
as
in
bad
D.
as that. Yeah. You're right. You're
I'll
right.
put it in D.
Office lady, as you say. Hmm.
I'll put an S or A. Then again, the stretch for office lady is like
Yeah.
all over the place. You know,
Eh.
so it could be like if they're too
Okay.
old, then that
More-
would be
okay, no, more people are saying A. More people are saying A. Okay.
Too old.
if they're too old.
Too
You know,
old.
like the stretch for office lady is kind of long. Humiliation, not a big fan of that. Put that in F. Bro.
Variation.
An F. Humiliation is just no.
Okay.
Impregnation.
Impregnation. I see.
I
Depends,
I would
really.
put that in. I would.
Humiliation.
I mean,
I see.
I get.
I guess in the middle,
I
'cause, like,
see it. I'll put it in the middle. I'll put it in
yeah,
D.
because like, there are stories where like it only
The
happens at
stories
the end.
were. Yeah, it happens. And so you feel. Okay, alright, that makes sense.
Yeah, like you see them with a child.
Yeah. Concept wise, this type of hentai makes the most sense because there's no way in hell a hentai character can let out so much
Yeah.
thing and not produce a child.
Mm.
You know.
Yeah.
I'll put it in E. I'll put it in E.
Anyhow,
Who did it?
so good her.
I know your waifu
Yes.
in Evangelion, so I know your. I think I know your opinion here. Yes. Who did it?
Yes. Yes.
Hmm.
No, there's a lot of S
I
here.
don't
You
know.
might need to,
S.
increase the
S.
size of the S.
S. S.
Yes.
Okay, fine. A lot of you guys are saying S. Okay, man. Okay.
Yes tier, bro. Yes
Not
tier.
Yes, tier.
Lactation.
Lactation.
Lactation, not a big fan of that. That's
Nah,
kind of weird.
yeah, I'm not,
I would,
I'm not.
but I'll put it in the same level as impregnation. This is weird.
Okay,
That's
I'll put it in E then. In
actually-
that case, maid.
Oh, see that may put that in S tier, bro.
Put that in S.
Put that in S tier. Miko's like goddess,
Miko.
right? I'll put that in A tier.
Like shrine maiden. Shrine maiden.
Yeah,
trying
yeah.
to-
Wait, Miko's A or S? Actually,
S.
more people are saying S. Yeah, fuck it. Monster
S.
girl.
A.
A.
A. Muscles.
Fuck yeah, that's like an A or B or an S, dude. I can argue it's an S.
Really?
Yeah, dude. I don't know. JoJo has changed me, dude. JoJo has changed me. That's
No,
why
no,
it's an
no.
S.
Whoa.
Whoa.
We don't even need to
Whoa.
talk about that. Oh, let's go ninja. I don't even know what that means. Like,
Ninja. Oh, that's fucking S, dude.
really?
Ninjas
You've
are
seen
hot.
some? I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ninja.
Yeah, ninjas are. Yeah,
Ninjas
you
are
put that,
epic.
I'd put that in S tier for certain stories. I'm trying to remember their titles, but there's certain ones where there's like, they're like shinobi warriors and type of shit. Or,
Oh.
yeah. So I was like, oh, that's quite cool.
Shinobi Warriors.
Yeah, they're like
Yes.
the last members of their clan, and then they
Oh,
had to like come fucking.
Is that one where
for
they
the
have
clan.
like
I see.
I'm just like a high school student kid, and then like the members around the same age, like the final clan member. And I was like, oh, that's fucking cool. All right. Makes-
None.
It can even be an anime plot. None. Not gonna lie. Ever since I watched Fire Force, none's been kind of hot.
Bro, what is Leah saying in Discord? AGAGAC? What is this? Fucking DNA? What is this? Rika, what do you think? What do you think about nuns?
Yeah, there you go.
B or C, I guess.
B or C? Two people say B. Majority says A. Do we go A or B?
I guess we go B
I don't have a
because
thing.
like, there's like,
Honestly, I'll just go B. I'm not the
Let's go
biggest
B.
fan.
because someone said C, right? Eureka? You guys
Yeah.
still C or something?
I'm not the biggest fan. I'm not the biggest
So
fan.
like,
The muscles are better than nuns.
muscles are better than nuts.
Monster girls are better than nuns.
Nurse. That's kind of. I'll put that in S.
I know.
right,
Yeah.
dude.
Yeah, I think I'd give it an A. Lance?
I'll give it an A, dude. Or an S. You can even argue there's an S.
I'll put it in B for me.
B? Okay, Rico, what do you think?
Yeah, A.
Okay, I'm putting it in.
Alright. Nurses. So it's confirmed ninjas are hotter than nurses.
Alright. Ojo-sama.
Oh, just oh, like the
Like a
the mistress type of shit.
Mistress, yeah.
Yeah, that's hot.
S.
I'll put that. I'll put that in S.
S.
S. A kind of hot, but A or B. I don't think I've seen
So,
one that has this tag, so I can't really say.
I see.
Rico?
I've seen several.
Like the one with like princesses. That's the one.
A.
I go with A. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Only
Wait, whoa, what, wait. Lillian said A. Orgasm denial.
What?
okay, I'm not gonna ask. I'm not gonna ask. You do
We're not
you,
gonna-
okay?
we're
You
not
do
gonna
you.
ask.
You do you.
You enjoy what you.
I guess we put it at
but
C
if
then. That's in the
you
very
have to put it at
center.
C because you have. Yeah, you have to put it at
Right.
C because
Wait.
it's not much of that.
Wait, what do you guys think about it though? What do you guys think?
I mean, it's not bad.
Not bad. But like,
It's better.
I can see
it's
the
better
appeal, I
than-
guess. You know, I can see the
I
appeal.
can see the appeal. I can see the appeal. I can kind of condone with it. It's better than anything else on.
It's
F
better
tier.
than
It's
it's better than anything in
anything
E
else-
and F. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like I'll put it in C, D. You know, it's not bad.
Begging.
Anyways, I could put that in B or A.
I did like D or E.
Wait.
B or E. That's a very big distance. Like that's a very what? B or E? No C, D.
Okay,
Like,
D.
what?
D, I said D. I said
Oh,
D.
B or D. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about
And that's
begging?
A and B. Damn. I'll put in C.
C,
We're
yeah.
strictly
B.
talking about hentai here, okay?
Yeah,
Hentai, right?
just straight up
Yeah,
hentai.
just
Just hentai.
Yeah.
C.
So it's like I wouldn't do this in real life, but you know, I see that. I there's like, it's kind of cool. Yeah.
I guess we could give it a
Yeah,
C.
putting a C.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Pregnant.
Pregnant, I'll
lower.
put that in the same level as impregnation. What the fuck, man? Put it down there.
Yeah.
Impregnation. I think it's basically like you can
After.
see. Wait, no. I think pregnant is like.
No.
I
It's
think
like
pregnant is
is
like
it when
you
they're doing it
fucking the pregnant
while, right?
person.
yeah. Put that lower.
Yeah,
Oh,
put it lower.
Put that
F.
lower.
Ooh.
Oh, that's
Chinese
hot. Put that
tradition.
up. Put that up there.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Put that
sir.
up there. That's hot.
It's
That's
good.
hot. Put that.
It's good.
I'll put that S tier. Dude.
S or A? What do you think? S.
Yeah, it's the same level as glasses for me. Dude.
Shimapan. Oh,
Strap?
striped panties.
Stripe.
Striped.
Stripe. Oh, I would
B.
fine. I'll be fine with it being a bit.
Yeah. For mistake,
Yeah, that's an
spats are
S.
S. Really? Okay.
Yeah, I'd say S. Yeah, I'd say S.
Would you agree, Lance?
I don't really care about spats.
Okay. Then I
Damn.
guess we're putting it in S then.
You
Stop.
have yet to
Put
see the
it-
appeal.
put
You have
it
yet to
at
see the appeal.
Yeah.
Oh,
You're
we
not
stocking.
stocking,
Oh yeah,
yeah.
That's
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
good up there. It's good up
Instant
there.
Yeah,
ass.
not even gonna.
Stockings are just.
Yeah. Succubus.
Wait.
What?
Succubus? Oh, it's an A. It's an A.
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 A or an S.
Uranus. What do you think?
A or an S. Put that like a high A type of shit.
A high A.
Perma's saying S.
Yeah, that's A for me too.
Okay.
Yeah, it's A or S.
Understandable.
It's like
Understandable.
high.
Alright, Tan lines.
10 lines hot. Put that in S.
What do you think, Rico? Where do we put tan lines?
A or B, I guess. Yeah.
Alright, I'm putting it at A then.
Yeah.
Tentacles. I'm not a
D.
big fan.
D.
Not a big fan.
It's in the same. It's the same layer
Futanari,
as
yeah.
Futanari and
Yeah,
and Ahiga. Like
Yeah.
I find it weird. Teacher, I'll put that in a
Teacher?
high A. Henty. It's henty. So like, I'll put that in A or S, dude.
And
Fine.
hentai, teachers are always hot for some reason.
Yeah. For some reason,
That's-
teachers are so hot. I don't get it.
In
I
anime,
don't get it. In
Teacher.
anime and henty,
the
Oh,
female
teachers are like
so hot.
overly
Anime
Male
and
teachers look so old.
anime and henty. You know.
All I can think of is just drop out.
Where are we going with this?
Perma is denying.
At least an A.
It's an A. You really like teachers, don't you? Okay, fine, man. Fine. I'm putting it
We're
at A.
strictly talking about hentai, so I'm like,
Alright, might as well.
I understand the appeal. You know, I understand the appeal. Cinderella, I'll put that
Cinderella.
S, dude.
Cinderella.
S, dude. All right, I see a tag that's going straight
Alright.
down to the
Yeah,
underground.
oogly bastard. Yeah, I'm just,
F, bro.
yeah, no. Terrible, absolutely terrible. Uncensored.
Yeah.
I don't really care.
Uncensored.
I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't give a shit.
I've got-
It doesn't, the
I used,
censorship in
I used,
hentai is
yeah, I
just-
used to care about it. Now I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like you can tell what it is either way. Like,
I don't need
Yeah.
to see this.
Yeah.
I don't need it to be uncensored. You know. So I'll go with the B or C.
Yeah, just
You're
C
C.
for can't care less.
vanilla. Oh, all right, we're going.
Vanilla,
we're
S
going.
tier.
S tier. Yeah.
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 No argument. No
It's
argument.
Fantastic,
really
fantastic.
big for me.
Yeah, S vanilla, 100% vanilla squad. BDS
Let's go,
let's
vanilla
go.
gaming.
Let's
Alright.
go.
Really
vanilla
boring.
game.
We're aligned with
Yeah,
the
I don't know.
99%.
And then you just hear
Voyeurism.
Rika talking about that vanilla is boring. You know what?
Vanilla is
Oh.
boring.
It's so boring for me.
Whoa.
interested.
What's not boring then? What's not boring then? What's not boring?
Wait, what's not boring? Are you a big fan
Tell
of
us, tell
ugly
us.
Well, I mean, if I
bastards?
change my perspective,
Are you
I
like
agree.
Sydney?
Wait, that's the recording one.
Oh, that's a recording. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the recording.
D or E? E? Rico, what do you
I'll
think?
put that in E. I'll put that in E. It's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll put it in D as well.
Alright.
Bro,
X-ray.
why would you record?
I don't know.
X-ray. Oh, X-ray is fine.
It's fine.
X-ray.
It's fine.
That's
yeah.
fine. It doesn't add much, but you know,
Yeah.
it's B or A.
Pretty indifferent
It's
towards
better
it.
than it's better
Something
than
in-
peg. It's
something.
better. Yeah, it's better than pegging and organ denial to me. It's better than agaho and tentacles. So at least give it a B. You know.
Yeah, alright. B is fair. yeah.
All right. Last
Yandere.
one.
The
Yandere.
final one.
If you're talking about hentai, I'll put that in A. If you're talking about hentai.
Oh, there's
It's-
different opinions here. You got Perma say spamming S, Lillian
S?
spamming B, and you're saying A. What if we just put it in an A?
I'm gonna have to go on perma side and say S.
Dang. Okay, what do you think, Rico?
I'm getting overthrown here. All right.
Where's the
I'll
under
put it
rating?
in A or S. I'll put it.
I'll
in
put
A.
it in S.
S.
I've
Dang,
read
a lot
few
of people
ones
are
that
going
really
S. I haven't read. I haven't
I've-
read it. I haven't read it, so I don't know. I haven't read anything. That's the under.
I've seen some pretty decent ones. So, yeah, I understand S.
Well, that's it. That is the full hentai tags. We did 2 tier lists,
It's down.
recording for like an
It's
hour
down.
now. Wow.
Good thing
Yeah.
good thing this tag didn't have the darker tags.
The darker
The
tag. Oh my
darker
goodness.
tags.
As
If you want,
fixie.
if this video gets would be a funny number.
420 likes and we'll rate the dark shit. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
420 likes. And
420 is a lot.
Yeah, 420 is a lot. 69 is understandable. And again,
It's
Yeah.
just 420 so that we don't have to do it.
Oh, yeah,
yeah,
that's
yeah,
true.
yeah.
Big
That's true.
brain. Oh yeah.
Big brain.
Okay.